Hello, all my glam gods and goddesses. It's Glam God MUA, and I'm here today to bring you a natural nude makeup tutorial that is Jackie Aina approved, honey. So I posted a picture on Twitter that went a little bit viral. I was talking about how people say that people of color can't wear pinky nudes, which is entirely false. And I tagged Jackie Aina in the post because I know she's a big supporter of people just like wearing whatever you want on your lips. If you want to wear a pinky nude, honey, wear a pinky nude. So I tagged her and said all 2019 we're wearing pinky nudes, period. And I don't care what nobody got to say. So it went a little bit viral and a lot of people wanted to see this look. So here's this look. But before we get into this video, honey, you didn't think I was just gonna let you walk on by without subscribing and liking the video. And you know, if you're feeling a little bit extra, hitting that bell notification below so you can get a notification every time I upload, did you? Now y'all know better. Make sure y'all hit that button and subscribe so y'all can see this beautiful face all the time. Now let's get into the video. So my eyebrows are already filled in. So now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty primer and apply that to my face. I have already washed my face and did my skin prep, moisturized, all that good jazz, because that stuff is important. And now I'm going to apply my Beauty Blender foundation. I am in shade 4.30. I'm just gonna take it and put it on my Beauty Blender and start applying it to the face. I love this foundation because it's like super buildable. Like I can build it in those spots that I need that extra coverage because I have hyperpigmentation. So like on my cheek area, I definitely need a little more foundation than I would need on the rest of my face. And the other thing I need to tell you guys, like this foundation is not this dewy. Like this is a matte foundation, but the way that I moisturize my face and my skincare routine and the oils and stuff I use, it makes it dewy. But I like dewy foundation, so it works for me. But it is definitely a matte foundation. And now it's time for the tape trick. Like, I'm one of those girls. I like my eyeshadow looks to be really blunt and clean, so the tape helps with that. You know, you peel it off, precise and clean. I really like this because it's high coverage and it also has hyaluronic acid, and y'all know Jackie Aina stands for hyaluronic acid, so I live for it as well. So I'm gonna apply this to my lid for a base for my eyeshadow. And it's really liquidy, so a little bit goes a long way. Like I'm probably overdoing it right now. But that's okay. Then I'm gonna blend that out. Then I'm gonna take my Beauty Bakerie flour powder and dust that over my eyes. A lot of people nowadays don't set the concealer on their eyes anymore. It makes the shadows more pigmented, but I can't do that because I have like hooded eyes. And honey, I will crease, so I don't have time for that. There will be no clocking out on my shift, okay? So now I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And I'm gonna take the shade Riff and apply that to my eye. And I just take that brown shadow all the way up to the brow bone. All of that. This look is like really simple. It's really natural. But it still slays, like you're gonna be popping. Because I really just use this brown shadow and then I pop something in the inner corner for a little extra pop. But that's it, nothing too intricate. Just clean, beautiful, natural glam. And now I'm gonna peel off that tape. As you see, clean, cut, and blunt. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation where I had that tape. And now I'm gonna go back into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And I'm gonna use the shade Stranded to put in my inner corner. As you can see, I love this color a lot. I'm like hitting pan on it. Now I'm gonna take my concealer again and highlight. I'm gonna highlight in those key areas of my face, which is right here in the middle of my forehead, under the eyes, down the bridge of the nose, and on my chin. And we do this because this sort of like brings dimension back to the face and brings color to the face, because nobody's face is all one color. Nobody. So we highlight these key points. And now it's time to blend to the gods, honey. I usually don't contour my nose, but that little bit of highlight gives just enough dimension for me. I don't like to contour my nose. One thing you will learn about me is, one, I don't contour my nose, and two, I do wear liner, but a majority of the time I don't wear liner. Why? I don't know, it's just a preference. And now I'm going to take my Beauty Bakerie yellow flower powder and apply that where I applied my concealer to set it in place and to bake a little bit, honey. Now I'm going to dust that powder off. And I love this powder because it's like pretty much filter-like. Like it really just smooths out wherever you put it. And I love that about this. So, and it brings a little color to your face. Now I'm going to take my Danessa Myricks Power Bronzer in Deep and contour my face. And since this is a natural look, I'm just going really light with it. But honey, trust me when I tell you she's pigmented. Like if I press down in this and I really apply the pressure, the pigment goes on, honey. And now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend to the gods, honey. Now I'm back in my Urban Decay palette. I'm taking that same brown shade and running it under the lash line. Now I'm going to take my NYX matte lip liner in the color Sandstorm and apply that to my lips. Now it's not too far off from the color of the lipstick. I just do it to add a little definition to my lips to make them really pop. A lot of people of color are scared of pinky nudes, especially light pinky nudes. And one thing I like about Jackie Aina is she is not scared to try a pinky nude, honey. Like, it's no harm in trying it. You can do many things to make it work. You can add a darker lip liner, you can add gloss on top of it, and you can get a sickening look. This nude lip is like super light. Like if I was gonna wear it without the gloss, I would definitely use a darker lip liner. But since I'm wearing it with gloss, the lighter lip liner just works. Here is the pink nude. It is from Stilazzi, and it is called Pop Fizz Clink. And as you can see, honey, it's pink. So I'm just gonna apply this to my lips, and then I'm gonna be applying a gloss on top of it. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty, Fenty Glow lip gloss and apply that to my lips. And honey, that gloss just takes it there. And now I'm just gonna add my finishing touches to this look and it will be complete, honey. Now I'm gonna take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold and apply that to my face. And now I'm gonna go in with my Mario Badescu spray. Then I'm gonna take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to seal it all in. And last but not least, I'm going to take my Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm in hot water. And I'm going to apply that to my face. And it just gives you that glowy look. You can apply this under foundation. You can apply it before putting on your highlighter. And you can also just put it on top of foundation, honey, and you're still good. So that's all for this natural nude look. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on all my social media accounts. All the information for my social media and the products used will be in the description below. I love you guys and deuces.